Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this sticker that somebody took the photograph and it's off, at an angle, and it's just, whenever you take pictures, you need to take them directly overhead. But I've already done it. It came out okay. This would be one of the easiest things you could probably ever redraw. I would just redraw it instead of having to go through all this work. So like I always do, I'm going to make a copy of it and start with the copy in case I mess up something. And first we need to see how the angle at the bottom. I'm going to bring in an indexing line and I'm going to have it snap. Have it kind of snap, or it won't snap because this is a picture. Then I'm going to double click on the picture and get our rotation and try to have it snap to that edge. Now I really need to zoom in. And I double click so I get my rotation. I'm going to move this down to where this line is there. I'm pretty close. I'm close enough for the video. If I was doing it for real, it'd take a little bit more time. And you can also always move this, like instead of trying to move that minutely, let's go, let's take away the 6.4 and see it just moved a little bit. And it really moved the opposite direction than I wanted, but that's good. So you can always adjust that. I'm going to take away the indexing line and I'm going to find out how big this line or how long this point should be, because if this thing's square. So let's say it's, 32 inches, 32.75. So I'm going to draw a rectangle that is, with my ratio locked, 32.75. And then I'm going to put it on I'm going to take away that line. And I'm going to put my rectangle. The only really known starting point I have is right there. So I'm going to move that over to that. So now see how close we are? We're pretty good. But to see how the picture catawampus, I call it. So grab the sign or the sticker, go up to object and perspective, add perspective, and you get this window. We need to bring that corner up to this corner. Wow, did it the first time. Bring that corner . And if I was doing it for real, it'd take a little bit more time. Okay, we got it done. Now I'm going to take I'm going to change my nudge factor to 35 inches. I don't know how they got so big. And I'm going to take my box and I'm going to change it to blue. I'm going to actually take away the outline and I'm going to nudge it right back. And I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go to intersect, and look at that. A perfectly square label. But, like I said, and see, you can still see the perspective box, but it won't print. And if we turn this to make this bigger, go to object, order, back a page, you can see there's nothing there. But you can really show the shadowing and the reflected. This would be the easiest thing you could ever draw and just redraw it with the state of Texas off the internet. But maybe give you some ideas. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.